Just in a teardown of this Bosch ALB 18Li. It's the green leaf blower. Left it in the rain and drying it out with the hope that it's going to work again. The reason I'm showing this is that there's one tricky part to disassemble it. So the screws are obvious until you get to this piece here, which sat there. The problem was trying to work out how to take this off. They couldn't separate the two halves without removing this cap, and hopefully it's self-explanatory as to how it will come off. There are a couple of little catches that sit around here. So it was a case of putting a screwdriver into here and slightly spreading this part and then popping the cap out by sliding these out, as you can see. Anyway, once that happened, then there were two more screws, which I didn't realize were there. And once they were out, obviously separated into two halves. And now I'm just working out whether it's water in the motor, it was the battery, or it's the switch. I'm not sure yet, but hopefully it'll work out. Anyway, okay.